Welcome to this spacious one-bedroom unit at the Spa in Little River. The large open floor plan of this well-maintained unit is complete with a private balcony that boasts beautiful water views. Outstanding features of this unit are a freshly painted bedroom, granite countertops, and laminate flooring throughout, with tile accents. This unbeatable location highlights the waterfront hub of Little River, perfect for fishing charters, gambling casinos, and a wide variety of restaurants. Just a 10-minute drive to the beach and close to abundant shopping, entertainment, dining, and golf options. And convenient access to highways 31 and 22 brings you to the entire 60 miles of the Grand Strand. This unit is perfect as a permanent home or weekend retreat and is priced to sell. Don't miss this opportunity. Call for an appointment now.